Morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, respected mentors, seniors, and my dear friends. I'm Shravanti from University College of Engineering, Usmania University, Tripoli Department. So, let me tell about my goals. So, one of my main academic goals is to crack GATE exam, and I am willing to start the preparation from my first year itself, as a lot of hard work is required. I believe grades are not the only criteria to excel in our life, but it is equally important to maintain a good grade points. So I want to maintain a decent CGPA in all the semesters. There are many ways to showcase our skills and hidden talents. So I want to participate in all the activities and events of our club to make sure that I get hands-on experience rather than neglecting it. If I have to say one goal that I need, I'm very curious and keen about is how to about my higher studies in abroad. And at last, I want to get a job related to the knowledge that I have gained and an innovative one. Now, ethics and moral values that I have learned. So, I got to know about ESL recently, and within this short span, I started attending Talk Talks where we can interact with inspirational personalities and learn things in a better way. There are also projects done by the members of a team where we can build our teamwork. As fear and confidence cannot go hand in hand, being part of this ESL, I want to overcome all my fears and build confidence. Being part of this team will definitely help me succeed in my life and achieve my goals. So, in all these ways, they are making a right path for our future endeavors, contributing their support and making our work even more simple. I'm looking forward to be an active participant in the ESL and to have a mentor who can guide me in each and every aspect. Now, one goal about which I need a suggestion is what is the best way to go abroad with a fellowship? Thank you, one and all, for giving me this